Now what?
So we're gonna have to follow the marked out course to get to the roundabout.
So what? We've got to do the TT.
Yep. So maybe we should just get him. He can just draft us. Yeah, there'll be a collection of people which go over 500 miles. So I don't even what even is that kilometre? I don't know.
So Chris going off first, he is just lying in wait for one of the real big guns to eventually come past, which is just a horrible fate, I suppose.
Yeah, it would.
But he's fast, man.
He is fast. He is. He like as long as his knee holds out, he's going to do really well. But it's a different league between the nutters at the top end of it, you know. Gotta get the glow, get the grind for them comments and try to split the dough.
So the way the race is laid out, there's a few different loops that they do depending on night and day, because some of the routes are safer to do during the day. The spot we're looking for to park the van for supporting Chris is the only place where they all overlap. Conveniently, it's got a fish and chip shop, and a cafe, and a pub.
It's Will.
Will Viking. Hey Will.
Hey man, how you doing?
Yeah, good man, how are you? We can drop you a pin. Where are you?
Yeah, this is it.
I'm literally there as well.
Okay, sick.
Where are you?
You have Will saved as Will Viking in your phone.
Yeah.
Chris Hall.
What the fuck is this?
How you doing? Have I transported? Am I back in America or something?
What is this?
It's my pimp wagon. Good
How
to
are
see
you?
you, man.
Got a dent on the back.
Got dead here.
I wouldn't have before, but now I've seen it. We're definitely going to jump in and we're going to drive.
Just
we're
over
going to
there
drive
and show
50
you where.
meters over to
Park next to the van.
This is naughty, isn't it? Oh, I'm sitting on my
We're
phone.
driving 30 metres.
The door's still open.
up there.
The door's still
What are
open.
you doing?
Still open.
It's still open close. It's making a buzzing noise.
no.
Ah!
Where's it?
This is one of the expensive ones of this expensive car.
That's not a overfinch.
That means it's like all like... Yeah, pimped, like you said.
Are you driving with no shoes on?
I was driving no shoes on. It's comfy.
I promise you, I told you I fucking
Welcome to part 2 of the National 24. Chris is out on the course, the support team. There's now 3 of us. Will Girling's joined us, he's Chris's nutritionist, and he's organised all the food, naturally, for his attempt. So the original plan was to feed Chris a proper meal every 4 hours. Now it's going to be pretty difficult to do that, considering how big the course is. We don't know how fast he's going to ride, so it could be sort of an hour either way. We're just going to have food ready for him, and I don't know, can we contact him on the phone?
well, I don't think he's got earphones in. He did before.
Maybe he will during the night legs when it gets a bit more dangerous. We could record him a song.
Something about seagulls.
Yeah.
I like seagulls. Do you like seagulls?
Poking on my head. Look at this flash git.
That is. He needs to learn how to drive, this guy.
And they just said, oh, it'd be funny if he came past and we weren't there.
Missed him, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, I missed him. We were busy though, weren't we?
We were
now
busy.
the nutritionist is here. He took us to the shop, select and save.
Chips.
Got some chips and
Beers.
beans, and
Cheesy chips and beans.
Well, that makes it better.
Oh, exactly.
that's all the major
Exactly.
food groups.
Protein.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love how looks so tasty, doesn't it? It's just like, look at that flaky goodness.
What have you put in there? Carb drink?
Just
electrolyte?
yeah, go on electrolyte. Not too strong, so only like 2% solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2-3% solution, so it helps with hydration more than
Can I just
carbs.
ask? Alright,
As we drink
you're
our
talking
cider.
to normal people. What's a 2% solution?
So 2% means 2 grams per every 100 mils. So that'd be 2 grams of carbs per 100 mils. We see as a better uptake of water for hydration status than, so think of it less as a carb drink and more of it as a hydration drink. Chris, you need water? You need water?
I'm good.
Cruising.
He is. Sailing by.
Doesn't more water.
Nope, no more water.
You're fired.
Water boy!
It really sucks.
Gatorade. What if
That's
he
the
doesn't?
point.
Because this is... What the shit? Oh, so if they just completely shut down that other leg?
Oh, he does it again.
What?
He just maybe there's another guy in the same Attica skin suit. You got to spin round.
No. What is this? Is this on my
Yeah.
invisible head? On my invisible magic head?
Right, you can go inside. Do you need this one filling up as well?
No, just a bit.
Just a bit, okay?
I could piss up against the door.
Yeah. Yeah, just
It's my pissing spot. It was last year. Are you going to film it?
How you feeling?
It's going to be a long 24 hours, I'll tell you that much. This looks amazing. Proper food. Oh my god.
Right, sit down.
Taste is okay. It is windy. And this one is a harder circuit. It's quite a drag. There's a few real drags up and down.
You've got one more lap of this and then you're on the big circuit again.
I quite like this circuit. There's lots of funny things you can look at.
Llamas.
Just funny signs.
You say it's llamas?
Not really.
Oh, right. One of these is caffeine. Okay. You want it in the same pocket?
Mix up.
2 Cliffs in your left. You got 2 gels and a Villa Forte in your right.
Real food, like,
Makes such a difference, right?
makes such a difference.
Hey, though, what's the thing with the bottle?
If you run out of bottles, just pull it.
This is where you start going like, and right, and left, and right, and left.
Mr. Motivator.
He does look like one of those guys you
does,
see in the
doesn't
gym.
He does,
Yeah.
doesn't he? He's like one of those like horrible spin instructors.
Yeah.
That's like, and crank it up, and keep spinning.
Just with my bicep curls and my spaghetti.
9:10. Yeah, I'm not. I won't be in until 9 o'clock, but which is probably 2 laps of this next one.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get a light on, just to be.
We'll have to do it later then.
Well,
That's good.
the next time I come in will be
That's solid as a rock.
2 laps of what I've just done.
Yeah.
Is the tracker working?
Hey, spilt his gel all over it.
It went all over the place.
He's doing a gel jizzy, eh? Hey, do you want to sip a beer?
You on Tinder?
Of course I am.
Yeah! The smile on his face as well.
Wiped it all down.
Temperature-wise, it's all right at the moment.
Yeah, it's good. You shouldn't be trying.
Do you know what? He was twisting it one off earlier. This is ridiculous.
Give it to the big. Give it to the big.
I've started it though, you know. It's gonna be easy now. I've started it. I put the groundwork in on that. Classic big man taking credit for the little guy's achievements.
Is that no? It's Chris's. It's Chris's. Oh, it does smell nice. You got your mashed potato.
You legends.
You got these horrendous like lines on your face.
How about it?
Those badass.
It's badass, man.
Can you shift along a little bit? You got space.
You gonna wear a jacket for the next bit?
Yeah, it's
getting cold, isn't
starting
it?
to get cold, yeah.
Do you need legs as well?
Of course he needs legs. He's
It's
doing a
Mike.
time trial. He's riding a bike.
You look so fucking casual.
Who?
Broad whip.
We're gonna throw down the tax later, don't we?
Ah shit.
I've got a puncher.
Did you?
Yeah, sealant.
Did it seal
though.
itself?
It sealed itself.
It sealed itself.
Yeah.
You've got the tool does, huh? Francis,
Yeah.
you are very good at putting pins on numbers. Can you pin this jacket?
I can.
I know you don't want to put the camera down.
So the sun is now setting. It's going to be getting a lot colder in the next few hours. Chris is swapping to wear his jacket. Visor comes off because obviously you can't see. Got those transition lenses in the Oakleys. Looking at the competition, people have started to struggle a little bit. There's definitely a few faces of pain, and it's only going to get harder through the night.
Killers for my knees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sore knees.
My knees are. Anyway, we know that. We know that, don't we? You got the drug bag.
Perfect.
It says paracetamol on the packet, but secretly.
Secretly. It's chicken livers.
Oh. You got
not-
black on your nose.
Have I?
Yeah.
How many do you mean to take?
2 will do. What? Battery pack?
Yeah. It's charging something.
No, it's for the light. It's the battery for the lights.
See you at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. seems a long time away.
Seems a long way away.
We could get so fucked up. How funny would it be if he gets in at 1 and we're just like, "Rah!" Nothing ready for him. Yeah, food's done.
Exactly done.
Sally, let's just take our shoes off and run around on concrete.
Paint me like one of your French girls. Enjoy your sleep.
We cuddled for a good
like several hours of that. It was good.
Ready?
He's coming up the road now.
Is he?
So I guess, to be fair, he might crack on.
He's still riding strong. Tell you what, guys, I don't envy him right now. How does he? How?
Casual chat with the Land's End Yellow Greats record holder, going around then, doing fucking 35 kph.
It's supposed to be racing, mate.
I need some painkillers, to be honest with you.
You seem alright though.
All I want is beer and peanut butter. We have both of those things if you want to put some in your pocket.
What?
Beer and peanut butter.
I think some more paracetamol. Yeah?
Yeah, definitely. 500k? Still bad. Just short of 500k at the moment.
Look fresh.
Mate, I've been pissing fountains.
How is he so awake?
I don't know.
Can we go back to sleep?
You've been asleep since I've been, most of the time been riding.
Ah!
At 1 o'clock, Bon Jovi, Living on a Prayer, was like halfway there.
That's why you're doing well.
While you were asleep, I told the others this. I saw 2 giant bumblebees, a Mexican, and Buzz Lightyear holding a clipboard that said E equals MC squared.
What else was there? We can cook you up some rice, or you can have some bread again, and the bread can either have some more bruschetta, or you can have jam and peanut butter again.
Very sexy the way you say,
Sorry.
when you like pronounce things correctly, isn't it? Very sexy.
Bruschetta was lovely.
What are we doing?
Smash it up, buddy. Makes me so proud.
What? What do you want? Eh? Eh? Last food stop. You might be on the circuit after this, so we want to get you in for food now.
That was a big push.
What you got for his last meal?
Just getting some more bruschetta and some watermelon just to freshen him up a little bit. So
The Bella Fortes go down much better than the Cliff at the moment. To be honest,
Done that ages ago, didn't you?
I'm on 600 now.
Sweet.
Do you know why 600 was my target?
Because you really like the numbers.
Because George is doing a 600k all ducks this weekend. There's no way I could let him ride more than me, even though he is doing it over 2 days. French woman and a Mexican still just down the road. The Mexican's fallen asleep.
Is there actually?
Yeah, seriously.
Christoph, you are doing unbelievably well.
doing awesome, man.
Like you're as miserable as you normally are, and like you've done 600 kilometers. So
What's wrong with me? Imagine if I tried.
Don't cry.
Yeah, don't cry.
A tiny ass.
You got it now.
I'm quite looking forward to the
these visor lines, I wonder if they'll scar.
That badass.
That would be probably
A little
badass.
bit, like a Chelsea smile, but a little bit higher.
Time trial smile.
Yeah,
Some of your hair off. I'll stick it on my face.
Yeah?
To look more like a beard.
Oh, shall we do it? Shall we do it?
And then I'll pretend to be Chris. Oh my god, it smells so good. Such a twats, aren't you?
I mean, it looks pretty thin, but...
What you do is you scream continuously. All your food right the way to the end, you've got your water to the end. We'll hang around here in case you're doing one more lap. And
You're
we'll
just going to watch on the tracker.
Yeah. If you do one more lap, we'll stay here for you to pass, and then we'll go to the end just in case you need us for anything.
Okay.
But other than that, we'll see you at the end.
Right, boys, thank you.
Take it easy, man.
Smash it up, buddy.
Enjoy yourself.
So you may remember, almost a year ago, we smashed a watermelon on the channel. Nice watermelon, mate. Right, we are finally done our little HQ at the roundabout. We're heading back to this start line, which is also the finish line, and hopefully Chris is going to meet us there.
He
hasn't got lost.
It is a stark contrast from last year, that's for sure. Last year, because obviously it was very wet, he wore about 1 million pieces of kit.
This guy's doing it with a backpack on.
Yeah, he actually won it 6 years ago.
Yeah.
And he's British record holder
For the joggle.
for the joggle low.
Yeah. Land's End, John goes to Land's End, Land's End.
Yeah. It's where you finish by doing 2 laps of
Land's End.
the town centre, yeah. This is the current women's course record holder. And yes, it is a man. And a mountain bike. I'm locked in a prison vehicle. It's a prison. The vehicle prison. You're locking me in. Can you free me, please? I'm free. You'll save me. Excuse you.
At least until he's not.
Fucking ploughing.
What? What? What?
So fast.
In the last hour, he's like, right, I might as well just ride at a threshold, right? I have to move my camera.
Change
up.
heights.
Yeah, so that if I just pan across, it's just chest, and then I have to zoom out, really wide angle. Oh, gotta do a bit extra. What an anticlimax.
I know. I'm so hyped for him to come in and be like,
He's like, I can get a big hug. He's like, no, guys, I got to crack on.